In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to install Altstore on iPad. So let's get started. For this, to install Altstore on iPad, you will need a computer because Apple just does not allow Altstore to be installed directly from App Store. So Altstore works by using your own Apple ID to sign apps, which makes it safe and free to use, but it does require a PC or a Mac for the initial setup. So first, on your computer, you want to open your browser and go to the official Altstore website and download Altserver. If you're on Windows, install Altserver and also make sure iTunes and iCloud are also installed from Apple's website, not the Microsoft Store. And if you're on Mac, just simply install Altserver and allow any permissions that they might ask along the way. Right, so allow any permissions that they might ask along the ways, and then open it and make sure it's running in the background. Next, you're going to connect your iPad to the computer using a USB cable. So you're gonna unlock your iPad and make sure that you press the trust prompt that's going to appear. You want to go ahead and trust this computer and enter your passcode, of course. And now on your computer, you want to go ahead and click the Altserver icon and choose Install Altstore and select your iPad from the list like so. This is on Windows and it's quite similar on Mac as well. So you're going to go ahead and select your iPad from the list, and then you'll be asked to sign in with your Apple ID, and this is required to sign the app. And Altstore recommends using a secondary Apple ID if you're not comfortable using your main one. And after a few seconds, Altstore will be installed on your iPad, and now you can disconnect the cable and move fully to the iPad. So for the final step, you're going to go ahead and go to settings, and you're going to go to general, and then you're going to go to VPN and device management, and here right below VPN will be listed your Apple ID. You want to go ahead and tap your Apple ID and make sure you have trusted it. This step is required before Altstore can open on your iPad. And once trusted, you can just go ahead and open Altstore on the iPad, and from here on, you can install IPA files directly, refresh app certificates, and manage side-loaded apps as long as your iPad and computer are on the same Wi-Fi network. And that's it. Altstore is now fully installed and ready to be used on your iPad. And yep, that'll be for this video. And I hope it helped you guys out. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.